Hello, this is another in a series of videos talking about web mapping and specifically GIS mapping on the web. We've done a number of videos talking about web-based GIS applications. We're very excited about OpenScales, which is an open source GIS Flex API. Recent changes in Flex have allowed us to start thinking about actually building mobile devices, building applications for mobile devices, I should say. On the screen you're looking at an application which is built for the Android platform, so for example the Droid phone this would run on. This is actually an emulator, so you're not looking at the phone itself, but this is what the interface of the phone would look like given the application we've built here. We were interested to see if we could actually take OpenScales, the OpenScales API, and build a mobile application using their API, and we successfully have done that. You're looking on the screen here at a street base map. We've overlaid a couple of KML flight paths on this. Those are the blue lines in the middle of the screen here. We've added an aeroplane icon in the middle there. This is a fully interactive OpenScales map, so panning, zooming in, zooming out. We've included the OpenScale tools in the top left here, so we've got the panning functionality and we've got the zoom slider as well, and we've also included the lat long as one moves the mouse. This is actually an application that we've built for the web. We've taken some of that functionality and put it here. The full application, and I'll give a link to this underneath the video or within the blog that this will sit. It actually is an application which allows users to not only track the position of an aeroplane on the map, but it also ties that to a video. So the video is showing the plane as it flies over an area, so this would be an application used for tracking fires or some kind of surveillance. The additional and important piece to that web application is that users can actually annotate the video, so freezing the video would allow users to then annotate that frame and save that off to a database, and they could then search and find that later. So sensitive areas they could discover. In this case we just took some of that functionality and pushed it over onto the mobile device just for test purposes. So let's start the video. Clicking the start button actually starts the video in the background, and what you'll see in a moment is the aeroplane will actually move. So the video and the aeroplane position is synced via GPS, and there you saw the plane move. Let's go and look at the video and see where that aeroplane actually is, and that's the position of the video. That's the position of the aeroplane on the map. So we can actually look at the video, and we could switch back and look at the position on the map of where that actually is. Again, this is only a demo, so we're really only just testing out whether how and what can be done on these mobile devices. But we were pretty excited that we could actually bring this stuff over relatively easily. So it offers us lots of possibilities with GIS on mobile devices, and obviously working with location-based data on a mobile device is really exciting, because these devices know where they are in time and space. So it offers a wider range of possibilities for building these type of applications. There is no actual GIS functionality in this at the moment, but with the next demo that we'll build, we'll probably build in some kind of querying ability actually in the map. So again, there's a complementary piece here. Not only are we tracking the aeroplane, we can look at the video, but we could then actually do some GIS analysis on that as well. And this is all sitting on a mobile device. I mentioned that this is for an Android based platform device, but this can easily be ported over to the iPhone as well, and indeed the iPad. So in another video we'll probably just walk through an application built for that. Thanks for watching.